Okay, here's the plan to install a brand new on-demand water heater. We'll go out here. Back here on the wall there used to be a water heater, big tanked one right here, that I took out. Get a shot of it. I moved it back to the backyard here. There it is, we got it out. Ah, Butterdot. Butterdot wants to go outside. Anyway, so what we'll be doing is cutting out all this piping and redoing it. We'll also be hooking up a water softener and a bigger well water pressure tank. This one's only a few gallons. I got a 20-gallon one. So that's the plan. The water heater should go against the wall in here, and it'll be good to go. I'll do a video as I'm installing.